Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of CollegeCrafts, and I have one question for you.
Does your place not have enough space for any more bottles? Did you get more for friends who are getting together and have nowhere to put it? Is all the clutter blocking the signal to the TV? Is all the old places that used to hold everything full? Well, we might have a solution for you.
It's a wine rack. We're building a wine rack, something that's been around for thousands and thousands of years. Yeah, let's create it.
Due to the fact that we like to do a lot of projects, we are running out of space in our tiny little college home, so we needed to incorporate two things, and we decided that we would incorporate the mini fridge along with the wine rack. So we had a mini fridge that we had been using to store drinks for a few years now, and we decided to buy a bookshelf from Walmart for some $25, and that would become the wine rack. Thanks to the fact that I am a newbie content creator, I forgot to record the construction of the shell of the bookshelf, so I'm going to explain it really quickly. We bought the bookshelf, and the shelf came in two halves. The top one's supposed to be the taller part, and the lower one's supposed to be the smaller part. But due to the fact that the mini fridge was on the bottom, we had to switch those around, so we kind of built it upside down, and we noticed that it was very unstable, so we put one of the boards that was supposed to be the bottom board that we had to remove thanks to the fact that the mini fridge was going there a few inches below what would be considered the center board, as long as it was a few inches higher than the mini fridge. And it was still unstable, so we decided to get some metal rods and connect them on the lower half to hopefully get it more stable. The next step was to create the squares that would be holding the bottles. So much like what we did with the gaming station, we were doing the same exact thing where we got a couple of shelves that matched the color and grain of the bookshelf that we had bought, to which we cut to length, the width being the width of the bookshelf and the height being the height that we were going for to hold all the bottles. We then cut notches halfway in between, just like what we did with the gaming station, and fit them together exactly like a tic-tac-toe board, and fit them into the bookshelf. The next thing to do was plain and simple. We had to screw in the shelving unit into the bookshelf. Now this one was rather tricky due to the fact that if you did not pre-drill, there was a good to fair chance that the boards would crack, and then there's always the chance that you miss, and it was just extremely stressful, but in the end it was completely worth it. You just have to be extremely slow and careful. We left the top bit of the bookshelf open because we wanted that to store wine glasses or whiskey glasses, and well, in the long run we decided to go for both, so we split them in half so that one side would be the wine glasses and one side would be the whiskey glasses. And to split them in half, we cut one of the shelves to the height that we had left and put that directly in the middle vertically, and then we cut another one to length that would fit halfway through horizontally, and then that would be the shelving unit for the whiskey glasses. Next up would be to do the wine glass holder, and to do that we cut strips into scrap pieces of shelves that we had left over, covering the cut side, which showed particle board, in vinyl wrap, and creating L brackets on either side of the cabinet that we had left, and then 2 T brackets to fit right in between to hold the bottoms of the wine glass. The last thing to do before making it look pretty with garland and lights was to install the cardboard back that originally came with the bookshelf.
Well guys, there you have it. Really cheap and easy DIY wine storage, which has mini fridge, room for shot glasses, wine bottles, liquor bottles, glasses, and yeah. If you guys want to pitch some more ideas, put them down in the comments or message me through YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe so that this channel can start to take off. You'd be some of the first. And we'll see you next time.